just gotten word on some breaking news. A series of concentric circles have begun emanating from this glowing red dot in the big blue area over my left shoulder. The circles are colliding with the multiple green misshapen objects approximately 2 inches away from the pulsating dot. Joining us now is a concentric circle expert. Can you tell our viewers at home what we are seeing?
Yes, we often see colorful round shapes like this when concentric circles spread outward, so no exception in this case.
Let's take a look at this orange, yellow, tan, and blue spherical object.
Well, these bands of color are definitely oranger, redder, and yellower than any circles I've seen so far today.
Can you tell us how long you think this might continue?
When you're dealing with concentric circles, you are usually dealing with a pattern that repeats itself on and on, so they can continue indefinitely.
Is there a chance that these various colored bands could trigger rows of little human being shapes like we saw back in 2004?
It's not only possible, it's probable. When you are dealing with colors and shapes of this magnitude, they are often followed by at least a small row of human figures.
And how about those squiggly lines appearing on the outer edges of the little green things, especially that long, skinny one there?
Yes, they are a result of the concentric circles.
Hold on,
the
green shape is expanding enormously. Do you see that?
Yes, the severity is increasing.
We just heard a loud, wind-like sound from an indeterminate
not a welcome
source.
sound.
Joining us now live from that southernmost green misshapen object was the voice of an on-scene reporter and an image of a telephone. On-scene reporter, can you describe what you're seeing there in the green, long-shaped thing?
It's chaos. People are running the streets. Rubble is everywhere. Up the trees.
What color are the squiggly lines?
I'm sorry. What?
Do you see any concentric circles?
I'm gonna need to get.
On-scene reporter? Do we have the on-scene reporter? Well, the telephone image seems to have disappeared. Expert in a suit, is this something to be expected?
Yes, a second set of concentric circles often follows the first by a short period of time.
All right, we have to take a short break now, but we will continue our coverage of this story as more shapes appear. But next up, our economic expert will discuss today's big downward slant on this jagged line. We'll be right back.